what's going on, guys? I just wanted to say before this video starts, we got so many orders over the last 2 weeks with the shop, and there's just a little bit of a delay in sending that stuff out. So anyone that was asking and stuff, thanks for your patience, but we will get the stuff sent out to you. We really weren't expecting that many orders in the shop, and we've been working overtime after our own jobs to try and get everything wrapped up and posted and sent out to you as quick as we can. So thanks for your patience. Juicebox is a small operation, so you know, it's not like a huge online store or anything like that, so the stuff is obviously taking a little bit longer than usual, but we promise I'll get it sent out to you. And yeah, thanks for your support, thanks for your patience, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video.
I get it off though. It's stupid.
Stop for an hour fucking refill, right?
Paulstown.
Wow! We follow you. We follow you, and you follow Adrian.
Oh, so happy.
It actually is amazing. Leave room, please.
She is some fucking boss. Fair play to you. You keep her looking well, don't you?
Hello.
Hi.
Some boss. She's some fucking boss, boy.
Are you with me, man? Are you fucking? Are you running?
Yeah, what do you call it? Show me everything looking like you. Where's the camera? See him? I can't do it. What is that?
Back for more. Ireland. So you've seen some of this place already. I videoed it in one of the vlogs.
Which way is this? Hi Rob.
Alright.
It was 20 valve, but it had everything. It was like a Gymkhana car. When we were up the last time, it was
Hello. Alright.
There's my new windscreen. Fresh in from Japan, Dublin.
Sounds cool, boy.
Yeah, right then. Look at that.
I love the smell of them.
Yeah. Look at this thing. Still got the plastic from Japan on the door cards. Look. Look at that. Same on the back. Look. All the plastics from 1982. This place is crazy. So what are you buying?
Carina.
Came to buy an anti-roll bar and you bought a Carina. Right, we're gone. Right lads, Yeah, Adrian, you just bought a fucking...
Carina, yeah.
Bought a Carina. This is gas.
It's only
How many kilometers on the clock?
89,000.
89,000 kilometer. Plastic on the rear.
Plastic everywhere.
Plastic everywhere. Who actually leaves, like, imagine the temptation to take that off. Same up here. This plastic's been there since 1982 and someone never took it off until now. He's that horrible guy that tears the plastic off. Ruben's, oh, that one's sealed on. How many years is that? Oh, look at that. You're that guy. For all the enthusiasts out there, apologise to all the Toyota fans out there that are going to be devastated.
No.
He doesn't give a fuck. Ireland's laws and restrictions on imports is very, very relaxed when it comes to like stuff that ends up getting left in the car. Like, we don't really quarantine anything. Parking thing. Nice little weird soggy map. Look at that. Look at that little weird Japanese envelope. Oh God. Look at this. Food. There's like snot or fucking little Japanese treats. We just found these toffee crisps as well in the car. These just came out of the glove box. So now we're going to Dan's, and that's where I got my car from. We have a Carina, rear-wheel drive Carina that we're bringing with us. And now we're pulling my new engine out of another Carina. Dan bought a drone out of the money that I gave him for the A86, so he's actually gonna film us with the drone there now. It's one of the only places in Ireland where you won't see a ditch or a bush on the side of the road. This is exactly what happened when I went looking for my car, right there. Oh shit, there's a bus here now. There it is. So we're pulling the engine out of this Carina. Almost has 500,000 miles on it. It's the Carina 2. So we're back in Dan's back garden. A lot of you were asking before about some of these cars, but none of them are actually for sale. He just wants to keep them. The Nova, still there. Bits of an 8.6 rear bumper. So this looks like a run-free rear bumper off an 8.6. Good boxy starlet. Here's the 3S GTE powered thing. There's a starlet. Still here. The reason why these things are sitting here is Dan used to compete in this car. He's had it since he was young. He wants to like restore it someday. It's pretty rusty, like. It's not really that bad, but stuff doesn't really seem to rot up here because it's so far away from the ocean. But he wants to make it into a track car again. So here's his, it's actually a 200 SX. Dan has had this for years. It used to be this colour. You can see where shit's flaking off. But he used to compete in this car also. It's got a built CA 18 in it. Yeah, I don't know what his plans are for this, but he's not selling it. He made his own bonnet back in the day before you could buy him flush door handles. Kids racing. It's an interesting place. Jesus Christ, man. At this moment, I thought I fucked up. She's a bit scally looking. But this looks just as ridiculously shit as my car used to look.
Look at it, Paul.
Yeah, it's good. He's really fermenting in there. Nice. Mondello Park, second place. Congratulations, you came second place in Mondello Park.
Proud achievement.
It's like a weird helicopter landing pad.
You're not going to land a real helicopter or not?
Yep. Look at all the spidey cunts in this fucking thing. Jesus fucking Christ. full on. Just give me anxiety.
Pull it, Ruben, pull it.
Pull it.
We're good. The first video was just almost 1 million views now.
Yeah, and it was just there. And now we're back in Dan's and we're fucking at it
Imagine
again.
putting 1 million people
Yeah,
in the
a
car.
million people have seen this space here and this garden and that shed and those bricks.
It's just a speedo now.
It's the way it's latched on. How did you become a thing? Lappy. It's the same thing again. We're back up to get just as shit an engine as the car looked. So this engine used to be in the Starlet. It's very trippy seeing the just drive away from the engine.
What the fuck? We catching on anything on the back there?
Or I had to get it past the battery tray. Be like, yay, and then it breaks and then fuck.
Yeah, you go. Go left or right with it. Yeah, that's what we'll hold the end of it.
Bring it down while you're turning it.
I'm around this way.
No, you're alright, because we're gonna.
Some box boy.
Come on. Right. Yeah, you're okay. Keep going.
Straight back.
Whoa.
Legs. So yeah, we just took the 20 valve engine out of this Carina. Full of fucking spiders everywhere.
He's ready.
There you go. Thanks, Dan.
Ready to go.
Right, sure, just fuck that in wherever.
Yeah. But she's all good. The one cover used to be hanging on the wall. The other one would leak.
Oh, there's an old friend.
Oh, more
Look at him.
over and get it now. Ooh. How bad is that
There's
one?
fucking cobwebs everywhere. Goodbye, supercharged engine. So we had fun with you, but it's time to say goodbye. Thank you, Carina. Bye, Dan.
Bye now.
So lucky with the weather. Literally, as we took the engine out of the car, it fucking did this. Nice Ireland weather. How's the diesel, Carina?
I'm dead bollocks, right? Yeah.
Love it.
Yeah, we slowed down to fucking 20 kilometers an hour.
It's the biggest journey this thing has probably taken since it fucking came to Ireland. Off the pier. Oh! Oh my! She made it. So what happened in the car?
Basically it started spluttering, and on hills then it went down to 20 kilometers an hour and stopped, and now it's doing about, it won't go more than about 60 kilometers an hour on the flat.
Are you teasing yourself? Look.
I like it.
Somebo's Ruben's by. Lost in a sea of wheels. We brought Adrian's Carina back down to JDM Distro because that's where it's going to stay for now, and then we're going to go back down to Waterford. So we're going to get on the road soon and go away.
Yeah, she's good.